The Volkswagen Tiguan has become one of the most recognized compact SUVs in the United States, and for good reason. It combines German engineering, sleek design, and family-friendly practicality in a package that feels more premium than many of its competitors. From the outside, the Tiguan has a bold yet sophisticated presence. The front fascia features sharp LED headlights, a wide grille with the Volkswagen badge proudly displayed in the center, and clean character lines running along the body. The proportions are balanced, giving it a sporty but not overly aggressive look, which makes it appealing to a wide range of American drivers, from young professionals to growing families. The wheel options, ranging from stylish 17-inch alloys to larger, more aggressive designs, allow the Tiguan to be customized to suit different tastes, while roof rails and a slightly rugged stance make it clear that this is a vehicle built for both urban and outdoor lifestyles. Stepping inside, the Tiguan continues to impress with a cabin that is both functional and refined. One of its standout features for the US market is the available third row of seats, which is rare in the compact SUV class. This option allows the Tiguan to seat up to 7 passengers, making it an attractive choice for families who occasionally need the extra space without moving up to a much larger SUV. The second row slides and reclines, adding to passenger comfort and flexibility. The materials used throughout the cabin are soft to the touch, with available leather upholstery and elegant trim that give the interior a more upscale feel than many of its rivals. The driver's seat is designed for long-distance comfort, with excellent visibility and intuitive controls. Technology is another area where the Tiguan shines. At the center of the dash is a modern infotainment system with a responsive touchscreen, standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and available wireless charging. Higher trims offer Volkswagen's digital cockpit, a fully customizable digital instrument cluster that puts navigation, driving data, and media information right in front of the driver in crisp, high-resolution graphics. The available Fender Premium audio system is designed for music lovers, delivering rich, detailed sound that makes road trips more enjoyable. USB ports, multiple charging options, and Bluetooth connectivity ensure that every passenger can stay connected. For families in the US, this level of tech integration is often a deciding factor, and the Tiguan delivers it in a straightforward and user-friendly way. When it comes to cargo space, the Tiguan is designed with American practicality in mind. Behind the second row, there is plenty of room for groceries, sports equipment, or luggage. Folding the rear seats opens up a wide, flat loading area that can handle larger items like bikes or camping gear. Even with the optional third row, the Tiguan still provides useful cargo flexibility, making it a great choice for weekend adventures or cross-country road trips. Performance in the Tiguan is both smooth and capable. It is powered by a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that balances fuel efficiency with enough power for highway passing and everyday driving. Paired with an automatic transmission, the power delivery is refined, and the shifts are smooth. For drivers in the US who face diverse weather conditions, the available 4-motion all-wheel drive system adds extra confidence. Whether driving in heavy rain, snowy conditions, or on gravel roads, the Tiguan maintains solid traction and control. The suspension tuning provides a comfortable ride, absorbing bumps and rough patches without feeling too soft. Steering is precise, giving the driver a sense of control, whether navigating crowded city streets or cruising at higher speeds on the interstate. Safety is one of the strongest points of the Volkswagen Tiguan. The vehicle comes equipped with a full suite of advanced driver assistance technologies. These include forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. These features not only provide peace of mind but also make everyday driving less stressful, particularly during long commutes or family trips. In addition, the Tiguan has consistently earned strong safety ratings, which is important for American families looking for a reliable SUV to transport their loved ones. In terms of ownership experience, the Tiguan is backed by Volkswagen's warranty and service support in the United States. The brand has made significant improvements in reliability and customer satisfaction over the years, and the Tiguan benefits from Volkswagen's commitment to quality engineering. Many owners appreciate the balance between premium feel and practical value that the Tiguan offers. While luxury SUVs often come at a much higher cost, the Tiguan manages to deliver a premium driving experience without breaking the budget. For drivers who want something versatile, stylish, and safe, the Volkswagen Tiguan stands out in the competitive compact SUV market. It offers more than just transportation, it provides a lifestyle upgrade. With its available third-row seating, advanced technology, refined design, and strong safety record, it checks nearly every box for what American families are looking for in a modern SUV. Whether it's daily commutes, weekend getaways, or long road trips across the country, the Tiguan is built to handle it all with confidence and comfort. In the end, the Volkswagen Tiguan isn't just another compact SUV. It is a smart choice for US buyers who want European style and engineering combined with the practicality and features that fit the American way of life. It proves that you don't have to sacrifice design, comfort, or performance to get a vehicle that works for every part of your day. For anyone searching for a compact SUV that feels a step above the rest, the Volkswagen Tiguan deserves serious consideration.